Hey Techno viewers, welcome back to Techno Views, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. If you're new here, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. So today I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone to your Windows PC wirelessly, smoothly and in just few clicks. So stay tuned till the end. So before we start, here's what you will need. Your first is your iPhone with iOS 14 or above version and a Windows PC or laptop and a stable Wi-Fi connection, and of course the A-Power app that should be installed both on your iPhone and as well as your PC. So I will guide you step by step so you won't miss a thing. So first, head over the app store on your iPhone, install A-Power Mirror. Here you can see A-Power screen mirroring. After downloading, just open the app and you can see our device iPhone 14 Wi-Fi network. So after that, secondly, so now for your Windows PC, simply search for A-Power Mirror for PC on the official website. Here you can see A-Power Mirror phone screen to PC. Just download here on your PC. Next, after downloading, here we can see A-Power Mirror. Open the app and you can see two options, wireless connection and USB connection. Of course we have to do wireless connection, so go for that. And you can simply scan this QR code and yep, you can see A-Power Mirror upload, start broadcast, and that's it. Phone mirror is, we can mirror it perfectly. You can watch anything. Now let's test it out. I will open camera. I am mirroring on my phone and it's perfectly mirroring on my PC screen without a lag. This is super useful for online classes, watching movies, and even you can presentation from your iPhone. You can see you can watch anything, watching movies and all. It's moving and working smooth with zero lags. So that's how you can mirror your iPhone to Windows PC using A-Power app very quickly and easily. So thanks for watching guys. Hope this video is very helpful to you. Please share to your friends and also subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.